With my respect to our guests, to our district supervisor, Mrs. Narcisa G. Sabilio, to our school principal, Mrs. Rebecca Sigalo, to our PTA President, Mr. George P. Bogo, to our kindergarten teachers, Mrs. Marian R. Amonte, and Flory, maybe some teachers, parents, my co-completers, visitors, a pleasant morning to all. Praise to be God, school days are just passed. At least we have completed the requirements in our kindergarten. Yesterday, there was four on. Today is our graduation, a day to rejoice, and a day to ponder that waking up early for school is not easy. Preparatory is just the beginning step in our journey in life. My dear graduates, being young, we have just survived our first step, our kindergarten life, of which reading being taught, thus remaining as the obstacle in repeating the words. Thank you, Mama, Papa, for helping me in my studies. To do this, to do that. Today is a wonderful day to remember, because we all be receiving our certificate. Our kindergarten life. I've never received task. Also, my teachers so kind to us. We'll never forget the right attitudes, the courteous, respectful, obedient, and many more. To God be the glory. God bless and thank you.